The sun has been shining, the wind has been howling, but nevertheless, it's a wonderful afternoon here at the culinary capital of the Philippines, the home of the defending champions, the Pampanga Delta for the Sinag Liga Asha born 2001 inaugural season. As we continue the semi-finals of your 2024 Delta Cup Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the jam-packed Renzi Gao Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. 3 consecutive days na punong-puno na po tayo dito sa loob ng Bren Giao. Of course, para sa ating Day 2 ng ating semi-finals for the, of course, Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament is presented to you by the beloved Governor of the Province of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Bren Giao Convention Center is once again jam-packed for 3 consecutive days. Jason Ibay and the rest of the Minalin All-Stars wanting to continue their dominance dito sa ating semifinals at makakatapat niya dito ang itong walang kupas at unstoppable na si Franz de la Cruz and the rest of the Level Up Lubao. Our game at hand, Level Up Lubao kontra Minalin All-Stars. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalen. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the Chief Enzo Galarosa.
Magandang araw sa iyo, Pen, at magandang araw sa mga kabalin dito. It's the second game of this Sunday doubleheader natin dito sa ating semifinals round, and very interesting ball game nga ang makikita natin dito sa ating laban between the Minalin All-Stars who want to actually tie the entire bracket dito ng semifinals round. Kasi if manalo Minalin, 1-1 lahat ng teams. Pero pag nanalo ang Lubao, they're in a good position to enter the finals dito sa Delta Cup.
And of course, makakasama natin mamaya on the sidelines si MJ Raymundo at itong si Daphne Lozano reporting for both teams. But before anything else, matututukan niyo pong itong Delta Cup 2024 on our different social media platforms. Of course, on our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO, and to the YouTube channel of Pampanga at Pampanga_PIO, and to the official broadcast partner of Delta Cup 2024 YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. But Enzo, tignan muna natin ang ating tournament format dito dahil nga nandito na tayo sa ating Day 2 ng ating semifinals.
And as I said, single round robin semifinals tayo dito. Top 2 teams will enter the championship round for a best of 3. The 3rd and 4th seed maglalaban-laban ng isang game lang, a knockout game to determine the 3rd placer and the 4th placer. Now, here's the situation. Like I said, Lubao is 1-0. Florida Blanca and ang kapalit, I love it, parehong 1-1. Itong Minalin All-Stars 0-1. So a victory for Minalin. Lahat ng teams dito sa semifinals round, 1-1 ang standing. Pero if manalo Lubao ngayon, 2-0 sila and a good chance to enter the final round.
But now let's take a look dito sa ating magiging game story ng Minalin All-Stars kontra Level Up Lubao on separate directions.
Yes, on separate directions because Lubao won a heart-stopping game against Apalit, I love it, last night. And then itong Minalin All-Stars bowed out to Abi-Abi King Panyulong Florida Blanca yesterday din. So magkaibang direksyon sila, but dito sa laro na to, will we have a 4-way tie if Minalin wins, or will Lubao seal the deal to get to the final round?
Coming up is the battle between Level Up Lubao kontra Minalin All-Stars, and to introduce the starting lineup, I'm now turning it over to our arena announcer Ryan Fajaro.
Action continues at the Renzi Giao Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the 2023-24 Delta Cup Inter-Cities and Municipalities Basketball Tournament Semi-Finals. Presented by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, Pampanga PIO, and your broadcast partner, Sinag Liga Asha. We're live on Facebook at facebook.com/PampangaPIO and our YouTube channels at PampangaPIO and at Sinag Liga TV. This is our main event of our doubleheader featuring Level Up Lubao versus Minalin All-Stars. And now here's the starters for Level Up Lubao. At forward, number 23, Jeren Carolino. The other four, number 8, Franz de la Cruz. Center, number 5, Vincent Sinque. At guard, number 22, Mark Manalang. And at the other guard, number 17, CJ Delfino. Head coach for Level Up Lubao is James Allen de la Peña. Assisted by Bert Vinuya, Mark Domingo, and Marty Ocampo. And now the starters for Minalin All-Stars. At forward, number 12, Heron Bonifacio. At the other four, number 10, Kenneth Pamulagan. Center, number 81, Jason Ibay. At guard, number 17, Paolo Garcia. And at the other guard, number 6, PJ Parungao. Head coach for Minalin All-Stars is Bernard Valencia. Assisted by Linwell Serrano, Jose Jun Canlas, Loy Laksina. Team manager is Von Manalili. Our officials for this main game are Michael Galotera, Dennis Escaros, and Birds Isuga.
The starters for Level Up Lubao, Mark Manalang, CJ Delfino, Vincent Sinque, Franz de la Cruz, and Jeren Carolino. At para sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars, Paolo Garcia, Heron Bonifacio, Jason Ibay, PJ Parungao, and Kenneth Pamulagan. Once again, Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament is presented to you by the beloved Governor of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Penelope Wilhelmina, alongside with Enza Galarosa, MJ Raimundo, and Daphne Lozano on the sidelines.
And agad-agad, sino nakascore?
The Tasmanian Devil and the defending champions for our Born 2001 inaugural season champ, Sinag Liga Asia, CJ Delfino, and part of the Mythical Five.
Shades of the quarterfinals round 2 matchup, di ba? Grabe yung ginawa ni Delfino dun.
Nice block coming from Sinque.
And last touch pa dun si Pamulagan. So you can see, ito Level Up Lubao, they are really clamping down on the star scorer nito Minalin All-Stars. Itong si Kenneth Pamulagan, who I'm expecting for him to bounce back. Yesterday, after rolling his ankle, medyo nahirapan siya to come back and shoot, di ba? Speaking of shoot.
It's a miss for De La Cruz. Pero nakuha niya ulit dito ang bola. Balik dito kay Mark Manalang.
Oh, good block.
Nice rejection coming from Ibay. Libreng-libre dito si Paolo Garcia.
Huli. Akala huli. But Delfino immediately apologizing to Garcia after he knocked him down with that swipe.
Look at that. That block coming from Ibay. Siya pa kumuha dito ng bola. But
And our
of
referees
course,
are going to review it, I believe. They are. They're going to the IRS right now dahil medyo hard foul yung binigay ni Delfino. Although, di naman niya sinasadya, but he knows how important every 2 points is. You know, Delfino's a champion ever since he was a teenager. Winning yung mga NBTC Cups, mga ganyan. Of course, won the Born 2001 Cup sa Sinag Liga Asia, di ba? As a defending champion sila nga dito sa next tournament natin. So Delfino knows what it is, what it's like to be in this environment as... There you go. Unsportsmanlike foul on Delfino immediately. And wala naman siya reklamo. He knows the unsportsmanlike foul yung ipipito sa kanya.
look at the reaction of CJ Delfino. He accepts it. Kesa man wala pa siya sa laro niya dito.
Yes, and that's the new and improved Delfino. I've said last year when I was covering him, or not last year, 2 years ago when I was covering him, medyo mainitin ulo niya eh. But now, after nung Born 2001 Cup natin, I saw a different demeanor in Delfino, a different attitude. Mas mabait siya, you know, less trash talk sa kalaban niya, unless i-trash talk mo siya. Diba? Ganoon na lang siya, hindi siya yung makukunak.
Of course, kasi of course under na siya ng pinakamagaling three-time Coach of the Year for
Yes.
several professional leagues in the country. Of course, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Yes, and yun nga, he will also play for Letran, the Lechon Knights. I believe, I don't know if season 100 pa or season 101. Basta, he will don the jersey of the Letran Knights na after a few years na hindi siya naglalaro for a college team, di ba? After niyang graduate sa San Beda Red Cubs, everyone was waiting, where will he go to college? He opted to go for the route na yun, ganto-ganto, Intermunicipalities Tournament, mga panalay-panalay. It's right here, Garcia with an easy layup to start off the scoring for
3
Vinales.
points now for Paulo Garcia.
Ang ganda nito matchup no, Paulo Garcia versus CJ Delfino. Shades of that matchup kanina nung first game natin.
Number 17 versus number 17. Ang
Exactly.
labanan ng dalawang point guard dito sa ating game 2 of our semifinals. Franz de la Cruz. Medyo hindi mainit ang simula dito ni de la Cruz.
Compared to kahapon, di ba? Compared to yesterday, Franz de la Cruz hit, what, 5 consecutive shots for Level Up Lubao. Sila ni Manalang caught fire. Travel. Kitang-kita yun ng ating referee, di ba? Yung traveling violation yun was so obvious. Kahit siguro naka-shades ka, makikita mo yun eh. Kasi nga he dragged his pivot foot. Tumatawa.
Ba't ka kasi naka-sage dyan? 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in our first period. CJ Delfino, 3-2 in favor of Minalin All-Stars. Once again, ulitin natin, kapag nanalo dito ang Minalin, all the teams here in semifinals ay pantay-pantay sila sa standing of 1 win and 1 loss.
Oo. And magkakatalo na lang doon sa last day of the semifinals round, di ba? Kung saan.
But if Level Up Lubao wins this game, there will be a possibility, or it is
Huge
already
possibility.
a safe spot
Yes.
for Level Up Lubao.
Yun na talaga yun eh. Safe to say na pwede silang makapasok. High percentage or high chance na makapasok sila sa final round, di ba? Zita, the savior yesterday. The block on Montalvo and the steal on Montalvo to seal the deal para sa Level Up Lubao. Good pass. Sabit. Ito si Carolino. I mean, Jason Ibay, I'm expecting a bounce back game from him. We said yesterday, Ibay versus Layug. Both of them can cancel each other out, but Jin Layug ultimately won the matchup, di ba? Mas marami siyang blocks, mas maraming rebounds, mas maraming points. Outplayed ito si Jason Ibay by Jin Layug yesterday. So in this game, nawala si Ibay na katulad maglaro for Level Up Lubao. And that's not a knock on Sinke, Alandanan, and Carolino. That's not a knock on them. Hindi lang ganyan ang laro. Hindi sila katulad ng laro lang ni Jason Ibay is all I'm saying. I'm expecting a big game from Jason Ibay.
As he knocks that free throw. 4-2 now in favor of Minalin, a 2-point lead. Now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Milka Jazz Raimundo, para dito sa kanyang update sa head coach James Allen de la Peña of Level Up Lubao. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen and Enzo. According to head coach James Allen de la Peña of Lubao, Pampanga, more than words and discipline, ang kaya ko pang ibigay sa team namin is siguro is yung work of hustle. Yung hustle kasi hindi dapat nanggagaling sa mouth, but through actions. Lalo ngayong semis, we need to concentrate on our hustle kasi we are determined to win and makaabot kami ng finals. Like I always say sa mga players na if kaya nyong doblehin yung effort every game, then show and prove it. Because we are not here to lose, we are here to defend. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ, on that report. We are here not to lose, but we are here to defend.
That's the right mindset, di ba? You play to win, not to lose, di ba? Etong Minalin All-Stars, that's their mantra. I mean, knocking off United Tomashan Balls, a number 2 seed team sa bracket B. Knocking off itong Angeles City Red Warriors, who a lot of people had a lot of championship aspirations for Angeles City, di ba? They knocked them out of the tournament. And dito, Minalin, yes, natalo kayo sa Florida Blanca, but you win your next 2 games. You win against Lubao, you win against Apalit, you're in the finals, di ba?
Look at that move coming from Paulo Garcia. 6-2 now, 4-point lead for Minalin All-Stars.
Grabe, what a start para dito sa Minalin All-Stars.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, para sa kanyang update dito sa Minalin All-Stars. Daphne, take it away.
Stop the Mighty Mouse. Ayan ang sinabi ni Minalin All-Stars head coach Bernard Valencia when I asked him about their strategy to win today's match. Aside from stopping Level Up Lubao's key player CJ Delfino, he also stated that his players must display an intensive defense and offense to lead their team for a comeback win. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much on that report, Daphne. Stop the Mighty Mouse, and they are defining CJ Delfino.
And actually, that's a big, big compliment to CJ Delfino. Kasi if you are a fan of Philippine basketball, when you get tagged the name Mighty Mouse, nag-iisa lang ang Mighty Mouse dito sa Pilipinas. And that is Jimmy Alapag, who I believe, in my opinion, is the best point guard of all time to ever don a Philippine basketball jersey. Now, an assistant coach for the Sacramento Kings, si Jimmy Alapag. So, big shoes to fill if tatawagin kang Mighty Mouse, di ba? From a Tasmanian Devil to the Mighty Mouse, you're Delfino.
Look at that move coming
Behind
from
the back.
PJ Parungao.
Sayang lang.
Pero nakuha pa din dito ni Ibay. Parungao asks for the basketball. And Parungao delivers the first triple of the ball game. So 9-2, a 7-point lead for Minalin All-Stars.
Grabe itong Parungao na to, guts. Guts with ice talaga siya. I mean, yeah, pero babawi naman itong 19-year-old Franz de la Cruz.
Franz de la Cruz knocks his first triple of the ball game as well. Of course, that 19-year-old guy can't be stopped. Heron
19-year-old.
Bonifacio.
Good pass.
Good pass to Jason Ibay.
Yan yung play talaga ng Minalin eh. Bibigay nila sa baseline to either Bonifacio or Pamulagan. They'll attack and then drop it off to Ibay or itong si Daryl Garcia cutting from the basket. Oh, Zita. Regalo.
11-9. Ang bilis makipag-keep up itong level up Lubao.
Pwede mo sabihin nagle-level up sila as the quarters. Para di mo na gusto. Eto, Kobe Guevara comes into the ball game. Upo muna ito si Kenneth Pamulagan.
Alam mo, kahapon nakala ko hindi pa ganun kaganda yung laro ni Kenneth Pamulagan. Pero ang ganda na din ng numbers pala.
Oo.
Pero kasi
Na-injure pa yan, ha?
nakafocus nga yung depensa sa kanilang dalawa ni
Ibay,
ni
yes.
Ibay eh. Kaya medyo pumutok din yung Parungao eh. There
Yes.
was a foul.
Illegal pick on John Zita. And to what you're saying, Pena, hindi ganun kaganda yung laro niya in terms of shooting percentage.
Oo.
But yung numbers are good. Pero dun sa dulo, they had a chance to actually get back into the game, di ba? Against Florida Blanca in the fourth quarter. Pero, yung na-roll ni Pamulagan yung ankle niya na third quarter, you saw it in the fourth quarter na ano siya, bothered siya when he's moving, as we can see.
Mayor Philip Nugget of Minalin, Pampanga for supporting dito. Itong kanyang kupunan. Minalin All-Stars, of course, with Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda at ang anak ni Gov na si Daniel Pineda, one of the players for Pampanga Pradera Theme Park in the National Championship. Dito din yun sa Brengao.
Yes. And honestly, I cannot wait for Daniel Pineda and the rest of the 19 under team ng Pampanga. We don't know who's gonna suit up yet, but we know nagsabi na eh, they will enter a team sa 19 under na Sinagliga Asia, and I'm excited to see who are their players. That's a good block right there by Ibay na naman.
Pangalawang block na ni Jason Ibayan for this ballgame.
First quarter pa lang, ha.
And here, Vice Mayor Jay Montemayor of Lubao, Pampanga.
Vice Mayor Jay in attendance. Mayor Esme, of course. May
Nasa Thailand daw kasi si Mayor Esme, pero nakatutok daw.
Nakatutok
si Mayor
yan lagi.
Esme sa ating live at Pampanga PIO on our Facebook page. Mayor Esme Pineda, happy watching and safe travels,
Safe travels po. And, you know, thank you so much din sa support. I mean, actually, naalala mo pa nung after nung game na level up Lubao ng quarterfinals when they qualified, pagpunta natin dun sa may OB ba, nakadaan natin siya, di ba? Sabi nila, ang ganda lagi daw ng coverage natin dito sa Delta Cup. And of course, let's thank the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito sa Delta Cup. You know, those who don the Sinagliga Asia uniform, kasi we are powered by Sinagliga Asia, di ba? Sinagliga Asia Sports and Production, headed by the head of production himself.
Direk Nomar, Santiago. Of course,
Back to the game.
kaya sobrang ganda din ng ating coverage. Of course, Direk Nomar is the captain of the ship.
Back to the game. Yeah, that's true naman talaga eh. Siya, Direk Nomar, and Direk Mike Danan, and of course,
Our
Direk
floor
Billy,
directors.
Direk Billy De Leon, and Direk Boyet, di ba? Direk Boyet Roa. Sila talaga eh. And of course, yung mga kasama natin sa video gear.
11-7. Look at that shot coming from Jason Ibay. May tinuturo siya doon.
Might be his family.
3,000 viewers in our Facebook page. And another full capacity inside the Brengao Convention
For
Center.
what, the 6th consecutive game? 6, no? 6 na tuloy-tuloy na laro. Ganito tayo. Good up fake.
Actually, 4 games nung ating quarterfinals eh.
Oo, puno din yun.
4, 5, 8 games.
8 game. Ang galing, mas magaling ka sa akin mag... Obviously.
Jason
Look at that.
Ibay.
Natumba pa siya dun, ha? Off-balance shot and the point. I believe family niya ata siguro yan kasi they're cheering hard for Jason Ibay every time he does something good. It might be his family, di ba?
Jason Ibay was not actually on his 100% performance yesterday. But showing his dominance for today. I know that he will bounce back from yesterday. As kanina kakasabi ko lang, 3,000 viewers. It's now up to 4,200 viewers in our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO.
5 seconds after mo sabihin 3,000, 4,000 na din. Wow!
Wow! Nakaturo din! Doon na tong si Paulo Garcia. Parang andun yung mga family nila.
Wow, baka nandirito, di ba? Or baka mga kaibigan.
As you take a look, that pass from Jason Ibay to Paulo Garcia against John Zita. Look at that move coming from that point guard, Paulo Garcia. 15 to 18 with timeout on the floor. 2 minutes and 25 remaining for our first quarter.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Going back, can't ride their hot start. Minalin was lost against Florida Blanca 65 to 57.
Yes, and take a look at that. The numbers speak for itself. Florida Blanca out-rebounded etong Minalin All-Stars. Almost all departments denominate netong Florida Blanca. As we can see, look at that Minalin jerseys right there.
Grabe, may...
Ganda ng kulay, ha?
A color of the Letran
Yes.
Knights.
Well, let's not forget, the pride of Minalin was a former Letranista, Joshua Miklat.
He also played for Born 2000 in one of our Sinag Liga Asya, one of the defending champions.
Oh, ilang beses ka nag-courtside sa games ng Delta, di ba?
Yes, that was absolutely right. As 15 to 8. 7-point lead for Minalin All-Stars. Heron Bonifacio is on the free throw line. Ang bilis ng laro, naka-penalty na pala yung dalawa.
Ang bilis na laro, 2 minutes na lang natitira sa first quarter. Ganun kabilis yung laro. And, well, we should actually expect that kasi itong dalawang kuponan na to, they run fast. They love to run. And yung mga guards nila talaga nagtitimon sa laro nila eh. It's Paulo Garcia, itong si PJ Parungao, and then on the other side, Mark Manalang and CJ Delfino, di ba? San Lorico pa for Level Up Lubao, di ba? Who else? I'm still not seeing enter the ballgame, but maybe that's, you know, a strategy for Coach James De La Peña. But yun nga, Guardia kasi nagko-control ng laro for these two teams eh. Kaya mabilis yung takbo ng ballgame. Look at that rebound and the putback.
Alam mo, Enzo, kanina, di ba, the story was Minalin can handle their good start. Hopefully, na masustain nila yung ganitong level ng intensity na binibigay nila sa Level Up Lubao.
Oo, and kasi itong Lubao, they're a fourth quarter team. How many games have we covered na pumuputok sa fourth quarter tong CJ Delfino, di ba?
Look at that move coming from Paulo Garcia.
Akala ko papasok pa.
7-point lead for Level Up Lubao. The biggest lead of the ball game is 9.
The key here for Minalin is this fast start para sa kanila. This hot start that they're on. And take note, yung Pamulagan nakaupo for almost 5 minutes na. Diba wala pa si Kenneth Pamulagan on the floor gaano. Hindi ganun karami yung minutes niya in this first quarter. And yet, they are up by 8 points right now.
Alam mo, entering our quarterfinals, papunta dito sa ating semifinals, this guy, Paulo Garcia, Heron Bonifacio, PJ Parungao, they have been consistent sa ganyan nilang laro eh.
Yes. And that's the right thing to do. Consistency is the key talaga. You know, you have to be consistent kasi nga durability will always be in question pag sa playoff. So, consistency will always play a big factor as France gets denied there. Ibay na naman ba nakahuli nun? as Delfino, the kick out. MJ, floater, short for De Leon.
Rebound by Kobe Guevara.
Look at
Heron Bonifacio.
traveling. Ito na, the tallest kid on the floor. 17-year-old Allen Danan, 17 years old, di ba?
17 years old, ganyan ka nakatangkad, no?
Ay, Wembanyama, di ba?
Paano pa pag lalo ka nabatak sa basketball?
Oo. Hindi na mo, payat siya.
Pag nagpalaki pa yung katawan niya, mas malakas pa yan.
Imagine. I mean, you can see the young skyscraper, di ba? The pride of Masantol, Pampanga, Kevin Santos, di ba? Laki na ng katawan ni Kevin, eh. And Allen Danan, you take a look at the mirror and look at Kevin Santos, look at Justin Baltazar, di ba?
Look at MJ Sagmit escaping Franz de la Cruz.
And look at that two-on shot! Dixon Manabat. Ang lalim nun, and against Allen Danan pa. What a start for Minalin All-Stars.
10-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game for Minalin. 25 seconds remaining. The two tough teams, Level Up Lubao at itong Florida Blanca. Ito din yung nangyari, Enzo. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa kanila. As we take a look back, that pass from NJ Sagmit and that underneath layup coming from Nixon Manabat. Going back on what I am saying, there was no recovery time.
Yes.
Of course, kahit sinong great basketball player needs a rest. But look at that. Paulo Garcia.
What a finish to the quarter para dito sa Minalin All-Stars via that Paulo Garcia layup. Beating the buzzer.
Drive coming from CJ Delfino and this Jason Ibay. That no-look pass coming from Heron Bonifacio to Paulo Garcia. Franz de la Cruz knocks the first triple of the ballgame for Level Up Lubao. At ito, look at that. Heron Bonifacio to PJ Parungao. The second triple of the ballgame care of PJ Parungao and all the waving color Electronites jersey of Minalin All-Stars. That's why they are now up by 12 points, 22-10 as we enter the second quarter of this ball game. Going back to the second quarter of our ball game, of course, we would like to say hi and happy watching to everyone who's watching through our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. And of course, to all the people watching here inside the Bren Giao Convention Center. Alam mo ba, Enzo, kanina nakita ko sa exit, nanonood pala siya ng laban ng Apalit at saka ng Florida Blanca. A champion for the De La Salle Green Archers, Joshua David. One of the
Joshua
point
David's
guards.
here. Ano, pumasok ba siya dito?
Oo, doon, nalubong siya sa likod.
Ah, nandun. Oh. Wow. Napabangan ba si Joshua David? Napabangan ka ba?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Napaisip ako dun eh. Well, Polly is from Pampanga, di ba? Pero from Macabebe naman si Policarpio.
Of course, tanungin kaya natin dito sa ating mga kabalan na nanonood sa ating Facebook page. Of course, they know Joshua David. Of course, he's our champions for the De La Salle Green Archers on the UAAP season 86.
Looking to defend, di ba? And, yeah, so, if alam ninyo kung kapampangan ba si Joshua David, ano may premyo ba sila?
Nagulat kasi talaga ako eh.
Baka naman may dinalo na kaibigan mo. Hindi natin alam, di ba? Kasi ito, Delfino. Good pass! What a pass!
Mabasa 10 ang kalamangan ng Minalin All-Stars.
That's maturity. The maturity that I'm talking about kay CJ Delfino kanina. Back then, he would have laid that up para mailagay sa TikTok niya. Pero this time, he decides to pass. Nag-iba yung mentality ni Delfino since last year nung Born 2001 Cup natin. And I would like to say for the better, Papa, what a pass din. Bumawi itong si Adrian Layug. Giving it to Kobe Guevara.
Kobe Guevara now with 4 points.
Kobe.
That very good underneath basket.
Look at Danan, hinihingi niya sa ilalim pero hindi siya makapwesto na maayos kay Kobe Guevara. It's a miss for Pangan.
Ibay.
Libre sa corner si Manabat.
That's too strong. Rebound by Franz de la Cruz. Balik kay Delfino. Running against 4.
Lilipad yan.
Ibay is fouled.
Look at that. Delfino, 4 na red shirts ang nasa baba. Wala siyang kakampi dito. And yet, he just skied over. Etong si Jason Ibay that time. That's the interesting matchup nga nasabi ko eh. Delfino had trouble last night against Kent Montalvo, di ba? And now he's against Jason Ibay.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanya update dito sa Level Up Lubao. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Karen Enzo. That Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino, will use his experiences to help his team seal the win today. This experienced guy always extends his extra effort during crucial game. Kahit pagod kami from yesterday's game, we will continue doing our job and execute our play. Dagdag pa ni CJ, malayo daw sa personality niya yung trademark sa kanya na Tasmanian Devil, but inside the court, they really have similarities daw. Because for CJ, pagdating sa laro, you have to be terrible. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much on that report, MJ.
Malayo eh, Facebook page mo nga yun. Well, sa court, yes, there's similarities. But ever since San Beda Red Cup days pa niya, yun na talaga ang ano. Because of his spin move, that patented spin move dito ni CJ Delfino. I think the Mighty Mouse nickname, mas nagustuhan siguro niya yun. Kaya niya sinabi yun. But, you know, Delfino, that Tasmanian Devil nickname was given to him even in high school, di ba? Look at that! Sayang lang. And goaltend, yes. Hinaltak yung net eh.
24-16, an 8-point lead for Minalin All-Stars.
But going back nga, the attitude kasi has been different for Delfino. He is much more of a leader, much more mature ngayon. So maybe kaya niya sinasabing ayaw na niya ng Tasmanian Devil na nickname, di ba?
Of course.
Tasmanian na lang.
Tawag na sa kanya dito. Si Coach Bernard Valencia ay Mighty Mouse eh.
That's a big shoes to fill if you're called the Mighty Mouse, di ba? I mean, there's only one Mighty Mouse in Philippine basketball, and if mabigyan ka doon ng mga coaches, that's respect. Binibigyan ka ng respeto noon ng kabilang coaches na you're probably the Kapampangan si Jimmy Alapag, ang ibig sabihin siguro nila.
Alam mo ba dati, Enzo, ang pinaka-idol ko yun si Jimmy Alapag kasi nga laging nakaka-shoot.
Yes.
Hindi na kasi dati alam ko sa basketball.
Honestly, idol ko rin sila, especially yung tandem nila ng Kapampangan Pride from Bacolor, Pampanga, the Blur Jason Castro, di ba? Mga national heroes natin yan sa larangan ng basketball, both Jimmy and Jason Castro, di ba?
Kenneth Pamulagan checks in for the second quarter. Layub.
Tagal niya nakaupo, ano yung Pamulagan, ha?
Pamulagan. Back to Layub. Balik kay Pamulagan ng bola for 3. It's too strong.
Kala niya pasok eh. By the way, he released the ball and was running back already on defense. Kala niya pasok. May times na gano'n eh. As a pag-shooter ka, pagbitaw mo ng bola, dire-diretso, makikita mo sa mid-air. Oh, maganda. Yung pala short or long yung tira mo. Lalo na pag sa gilid ka or sa corners.
But for Minalin All-Stars, they have to be consistent on what they have played on the first quarter.
Exactly.
Because of course, you have here CJ Delfino, Franz de la Cruz, ito pang sipag ni John Zita.
Look at that. Yan na. Yun ay spin move and it created a
Kenji
Kenji.
Gonzalez. Too strong for Gonzalez.
You saw the entire bench ng Level Up Lubao ready na mag-celebrate kasi na-set up ng maganda ni Delfino si Gonzalez.
Ready na sila tumayo.
Oo.
Ibay. Oh, that's not Ibay. Sorry. It's Irish Lobo.
Iris Lobo returning back to the lineup. Ito Minalin All-Stars. Wala sa last game.
Great D coming from Level Up Lubao. Naubusan ng oras yung Minalin doon.
Oh, that's why Irish needed to fire that. It's Delfino again drawing another foul dito. Itong si Delfino. Very, very aggressive. Itong si CJ.
4,400 people watching in our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO.
Happy watching po sa inyo.
Happy Sunday, mga kabalin. As 5 minutes and 56 seconds remaining in our second period, 24-16, timeout on the floor.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon.
Avoided a meltdown 67 to 65. Level Up Lubao won against Apalit. I love it.
Yes, they avoided a meltdown last game. Lamang sila all throughout the fourth quarter and then dun sa dulo, nagkaroon ng rally itong Apalit. I love it, but it was John Zita's block and steal that sealed the deal for Level Up Lubao. They were held scoreless for nearly 3 minutes of the ball game. Talking about itong Level Up Lubao, again, John Zita was the hero of that game. But also, let's not forget the 13-point explosion in the second half ni Franz de la Cruz, di ba? Grabe yun.
Scoring 4 points in the first quarter and then another 13 on the second.
Oo.
Third rather.
Third quarter, yes,
Kasi
yes.
first half lang ang
Second,
score, eh.
akala ko second half ang tinutukoy.
Tapos yung fourth quarter, 4 points.
4 points din, di ba? Grabe yung ginawa ni Franz de la Cruz that time. But, yun nga, they nearly had another meltdown. Let's not forget, nung quarterfinals 1, they had a meltdown, di ba? Yung 6 yung player sa loob ng court. Yung unsportsmanlike foul ni Sean Lorico as mamulagan with another basket. But right now, they are trailing, talking about Level Up Lubao dahil mainit ang mga kamay dito ng mga taga-Minalin. Oh! Sayang!
There was Zita on the rebound.
Travel. That's actually a misconception from players, Pen. Pag natapik yung bola in mid-air, pag dinribble mo, traveling yun. What you have to do as a player, let the ball go. Pagbaba ng bola after niya natapik in mid-air, nang hindi mo hinahawakan, doon mo siya pwedeng hawakan. Bitawan mo yung bola kasi it means natapik yung possession sa'yo. If natapik yung bola and you come down with the ball, doon siya traveling.
Still a 10-point lead for Minalin All-Stars with 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining on our first half.
Wala palang upuan sa likod natin available. Daming tao. Nagulat ako pag talikod ko. Wala nang upuan available dito. Tapos 4.1 na? 4.4K viewers kanina sa Facebook. Paano
And so let's not forget, even though wala dito si Mayor SB Pineda inside the ring,
Of course.
nandito pa din ang breaking record ng 47 barangay captains for the municipality
Kompleto
of
na naman
Lubao.
sila. Grabe ah.
Sabi ni Vice Mayor.
47 pa rin sila. Na-complete attendance. Ito, Delfino mag-isa. CJ! Patented laglag sa ring yung bola. If he was only 2 inches, if he was, what, an inch or 2 inches taller, dunk na yun for CJ.
It was too basic for CJ
Oo.
Delfino. 8-point lead for Minalin All-Stars. 8 ang hinahabol ng Level Up Lubao. Paolo Garcia. Back to Kenneth Pamulagan.
Good defense. Good
Good move
defense by
coming from
Lubao.
Pamulagan.
Pangan.
Look at that drive coming from Eman Pangan. 4-0 run for Level Up Lubao. From the biggest 10-point lead of the ball game. Look at that coming from Eman Pangan. Kala ko ipapasa pa niya yun kay John Zita, pero nakabuelo kasi itong si Eman Pangan. As time out on the floor, 26-20.
You make. You break. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon.
We can see here, Kenji Gonzalez, Allen Danan, and of course, Franz de la Cruz na nagtatago. Ayun na, nakita na. The unstoppable Franz de la Cruz of Level Up Lubao on your screens. The 17-year-old Allen Danan, at ito pa si Kenji. Ay, hindi pa nag-iinit tong si Kenji Gonzalez.
Wala
Enzo.
pa nga eh. Airball pa nga yung tres niya kanina. And I'm looking at the lineup and I don't see Sean Lorico's name. Maybe Sean Lorico unavailable ngayong araw, di ba? Malaking
Of
factor
course,
sa
Jeren Carolino.
Yes, who started this game. Ito si Jeren Carolino.
Sean, it was with Coach J.R. De La Cruz. They have a tune-up at Manila. First, Franz De La Cruz, 20 points, 4 rebounds, and 3 assists sa laban nila kahapon against Apalit. I love it. He
Grabe.
dominated the guard, Isaac Danting of Apalit.
Naisahan niya ilang beses si Ice Danting dun eh. Really dominated. Now, one-upan niya si Ice Danting. Not just on offense, but also on the defensive end. Ang ganda ng pagbantay niya kay Danting in that fourth quarter.
Going back to the 3 minutes and 58 seconds in our second period.
Offensive foul clearly on Jason Ibay.
lead for Minalin All-Stars. Sideline inbound.
Look at Paolo Garcia,
Level
agad-agad.
up Lubao.
Agad-agad dinikitan nito si Delfino. CJ letting the referees know, nakakakam sa akin, ref, oh. Look at that escape. And CJ fouled in mid-air.
Signature move na ni CJ yun eh, yung
Oo.
mid-air.
Yung paglilipad siya, tatago niya sa likuran ng ulo niya yung bola. And that's how high this kid can fly. Just check out his TikTok account and also yung page niya sa FB. You know, laging, pinopost niya even yung Sinagliga Asia Days. He always posts his highlights. And talagang highlight reel na highlight reel. Itong si Tasmanian na lang. Baka dun siya na sa word na isa after that Tasmanian. Tasmanian na lang. As we can see.
Governor Dennis Delta Pineda supporting the game.
Seryoso yun. Si Coach Pedic, ah.
Sobrang seryoso.
Seryoso
Siyempre, player
siya.
niya yan eh.
Nakasimangot siya, ha? Next week pa, Coach Pedic.
Huwag ka masyado seryoso dyan,
Next week
coach.
pa.
4-point lead for Minalin after that 2 free throws for CJ Delfino.
Again, good defense na naman by Level Up Lubao. Pero Kobe Guevara nearly squeaked that one in.
CJ Delfino.
Good tap. Good tap right there. Galing dito kay Heron Bonifacio. That would have been an easy 2 points if hindi natapik ni Heron Bonifacio yung dribble dito ni Delfino.
4-point lead for Minalin with 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Balik kay Delfino ang bola. He's against Heron Bonifacio. Bonifacio.
Good crossover.
There's a holding foul.
And Delfino's taking this matchup personal. He's really taking this matchup with Garcia personal. You can see it in his eyes. Gustong-gusto niyang panalunin ngayong araw ang laro for Level Up Lubao. Take a look at that crossover. And then there's the foul call. And then nakita niya, babaharangan pa sana siya ni Garcia doon. But he bumps into Garcia.
Almost a miss. Pero of course, it's CJ Delfino we're talking about.
Yes.
Doon siya kilala eh, no? Sa mga free throw niya tapos yung mid-air move niya.
Oo. And syempre, yung mga crossover niya, again, one of the best ball handlers here in the province of Pampanga.
From the biggest 10-point lead of the ball game, it's now down to 2. As another missed possession for
Buelo.
Minalin.
Delfino, bitin lang.
There
Agaw
was
na
a
naman.
steal. Pero may recovery dito ang Level Up Lubao.
And Delfino still scores. May flex pa doon si Tasmanian Devil. Sorry, Tasmanian. My bad, Tasmanian.
Marungaw. Back to Heron Bonifacio for 3.
Good
Rebound by
rebound.
Pamulagan.
Good rebound there by Pamulagan.
2-point lead for Minalin.
Look at the fans. Kahit yung mga fans nag-aasaran din. Ozita turns it over. Counter steal naman by John.
De Leon. Rebound by Pamulagan. There's a foul against Manuel.
And Franz de la Cruz will come back into the ball game for Level Up Lubao as Delfino takes a sit right now. Kita natin, he might have gotten a little bit hurt. Look, you can see him holding on to that right ankle.
Franz de la Cruz checks in for Level Up Lubao. PJ Parungao. Back to Paulo Garcia. Balik kay Parungao ang bola. Heron Bonifacio. Kenneth Pamulagan for 3. Can he knock this down? At nakakuha pa ng rebound itong si Bonifacio.
Good pass. Nadulas nga lang doon si Kenneth Pamulagan.
2-point lead for Minalin.
And a tech. There's a technical foul whistled at the bench of Minalin.
Technical foul on Minalin All-Stars head coach Bernard Valencia. for
It's on
unsportsmanlike behavior.
Coach Bernard Valencia, ang technical foul.
Of course, we would like to say a happy watching and a happy Sunday to all of the people who's watching on our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. 5,000 viewers.
Technical free throw will be attempted here for Franz de la Cruz. In and out pa rin for France. Could have cut the lead down to 1.
1 minute and 34 seconds remaining for our second period. 2-point lead for Minalin All-Stars. Sideline inbound for John Zita.
And look at how they're defending Delfino right now, just really trying to
It's
put a
now
straight jacket.
5.1K, and I would like to give a shout out to my grade 11 advisor, Sir Brian Soto. He's watching me right now. Sinend niya sa akin on my messenger.
Wow, happy watching.
He's my philosophy teacher way back. Hi, Sir Brian. Happy watching all the way from Laguna.
Heron Bonifacio, again another foul is called. So Delfino with another chance to shoot 2 free throws dito and finally tie the game. But
No drums. Pero may mga tarotot sila dito, ah.
Mga galing ano pa yan, mga tinabi galing New Year. Ganyan
Grabe.
torotot namin sa bahay eh.
The Kapampangan crowd never failed to amaze me. $5.1K viewers. It's now 5.2.
Paangat na paangat, diba?
CJ Delfino on the free throw line again.
Oh, he misses the second one.
It's a rebound by Pamalagan. Back to
0
PJ
for 2.
Parungao. Nice kick out. Pero may counter steal itong si Franz de la Cruz. CJ Delfino against Paulo Garcia. Misses.
Good tap. Good tap right there by Franz de la Cruz to tie the game at 28.
We're tied at 28 with 55 seconds remaining. Kenneth Pamalagan. Balik ang bola kay Mark Manalang. To the 19-year-old De La Cruz. Against... There was a foul against Kobe Guevara.
He was holding on to the hip dito ni Franz de la Cruz. Free throws na naman to for Level Up Lobao.
5.4 thousand viewers now. In the span of just 30 seconds, our viewers in our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO grows more and more. So ito na, nagsisimula ng mag-init. Itong si Franz de la Cruz. And so magbasa tayo dito ng comments. Meron dito sabi ni Eric Ali Inocencio, happy birthday Monica, and of course, go Minalin All-Stars, and of course, Level Up Lubao.
Happy watching po sa inyo. 5.4K viewers. Parami ng parami ah. Ito, 1-point lead for Lubao. Good pass! What a pass!
What a move! Coming from another Garcia of Minalin
si
All-Stars. Mark Manalang against PJ Parungao. Manuel Pangan.
Oh, wow! Great
May
jumper.
kasama pang foul.
Natutuwa ako sa may torotot pa. But look at that jumper right there. Great find by Manalang. And the concentration by Eman Pangan to knock down the jumper.
Look at
Ano
that.
torotot? Ang laki ng torotot niya.
And now the lead is back to Level Up Lubao. That M1 play is complete. Look at the reaction after that shot coming from Manuel Pangan. No time for Minalin All-Stars for a basket. 33-30 from the 10 biggest point lead of Minalin All-Stars. Naghabol itong Level Up Lubao. Now they're up by 3. 33-30 as we look at that pass coming from CJ Delfino to Franz de la Cruz. Who would imagine that was just a 19-year-old kid, and that no-look pass from Layug papunta kay Kobe Guevara, and look at that, Manuel Pangan driving all the way on the basket, no hesitation. And that pass coming from Kobe Guevara. Back to Jomil Garcia, the other Garcia for Minalin All-Stars. That's why they now level up Lubao now up by 3 points, 33-30 at the end of the first half. Kaya mga balet, tutok lamang po dahil magbabalik kami para sa laban ng level up Lubao kontra Minalin All-Stars para sa ating Delta Cup 2024.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a Freeport zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
BDO. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Nakatutok pa din kayo dito sa Delta Cup 2024. And this is the battle between Minalin All-Stars versus Lubao, Pampanga. Bago natin balikan ng mainit na laban ng dalawang koponan dito sa Brenzy Giao, kausapin muna natin ang team manager ng Minalin All-Stars. I am with Mr. Von Manalili. Now, you are facing the team Lubao, Pampanga, and meron na po silang advantage. As the team manager of Minalin All-Stars, paano nyo po ba pinapakita yung support nyo sa team nyo despite of all the challenges and yung loss nyo po against Florida Blanca yesterday?
Well, we love being underdogs. Mas nagiging kumpiyansa yung mga bata kapag dehado kami. So, I think it's the character of the Minaleño na being able to bounce back. Kung nasabaybayan nyo yung Delta Cup, we came from twice to beat disadvantage. Then we've beaten Angeles na number 1 sa kabilang bracket. So, I think we can do it again.
Nabalitaan ko nga din po na never daw po kayo umabsent during the trainings of your players. Now, gaano po ba kahirap sa inyo na makita yung mga players or yung mga star players po ninyo na hindi umaattend ng training because of a prior commitment? Ano po yung nagiging adjustment or recovery nyo po? And ano po yung nagiging consequence nito sa team?
Actually, wala kaming consequence kasi minsan studies yung rason kung bakit din nakaka-attend. We just encourage them. We build the character. Yun lang.
Now, meron po ba kayong gustong batiin or pasalamatan?
Of course, I would like to thank our mayor, Mayor Philip Nagit, and all the public officials, Admin Maganto, lahat ng barangay captains, SKs, and especially may kaibigan ako rito, si Engineer Leslie Aguilar. Hi to my family back home. Love you.
Once again, that is the team manager of Minalin All-Stars. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ, and thank you so much, of course, to Mr. Von Manalili, the team manager of Minalin All-Stars. At the end of the first half, 32-30 in favor of Level Up Lubao. Of course, we take a look. The Tasmanian Devil take charge dito sa ating labanan. Let's look at that. Paulo Garcia has been dominant. Talagang nagtatapatan itong dalawang point guard dito. And look at that pass coming from CJ Delfino to the 19-year-old De La Cruz. That pass from Heron Bonifacio back to PJ Parungao. Knocks his first triple of the ball game. And look at that drive coming from Manuel Pangan. That pass of Kobe Guevara. Jomel Garcia coming off the bench. Jomel leading scores of the halftime. Level Up Lubao. CJ Delfino with 14. Franz De La Cruz with 8. Manuel Pangan with 5. At para sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars, Paulo Garcia with 10. Jason Ibay with 5. And Kenneth Pamulagan with 4. Penelope Wilhelmina still alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo and Daphne Lozano on the sideline. Magbabalik po kami para sa laban ng Minalin All-Stars kontra Level Up Lubao.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan! You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Going back to the second half of the Level Up Lubao kontra Minalin All-Stars. Look at here, the people inside the Brent Igao Convention Center. And the biggest crowd we have in our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO is 5,000 people watching, and happy watching to everyone in our different social media platforms, in our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO, YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO, and the YouTube channel of Sinag Liga Asya at Sinag Liga TV.
And ito, one thing for the third quarter that we have to watch out for is this third quarter storm that Minalin All-Stars is known to do. Just like that, di ba? Give the ball to the middle and it's Paulo Garcia hanging in midair. Sabi mo kasi, third quarter team tong Minalin All-Stars. And I like the fact na sinabi ng team manager ng Minalin All-Stars, Sir Von Manalili kanina, sabi niya, we love being underdogs, di ba?
Mas ginaganahan daw yung mga players ng Minalin. At mas ginanahan naman si Franz De La Cruz on that three-point shot on the center.
Pang-una niya na yan, di ba? Pangalawa ba?
Pangalawa na.
Nakaisa pala siya ng first half. So, you know, that could get Franz De La Cruz rolling dito.
Pero sumagot ng layup doon itong si Kenneth Pamulagan.
And that's the matchup we were talking about. Pamulagan versus Franz De La Cruz, di ba? Two players with the same playing style as ito. De La Cruz na naman.
That's too strong for him. But rebound by John Zita. Balikan De La Cruz ang bola at Mark Manalang.
Grabe.
Layo na.
Ayan na naman silang dalawa. The Splash Brothers ng Lubao.
Hindi Manalang tsaka De La Cruz ang abribo-nan.
Curry
and
Thompson. Sino si Curry, sino si Thompson, di ba? Mamili ka na lang. May ano sila.
Hindi,
Delfino.
mas malayo mag-triple si ano eh.
Si
Mark
Manalang.
Manalang.
Oo. Tapos may, ibig sa Draymond, meron silang Delfino. Ito tira din.
Look at that. Back-to-back 3 points at first half.
Points from turnovers, 10-0 para dito sa Lubao.
Kaya nahabol nila at mas lumamang pa sila dito. Kasi sa 10-point lead ang meron ng Minalin All-Stars kanina. The biggest lead of the ball game.
Look at that defense again and another turnover para dito sa Minalin All-Stars and Lubao. hit 3 straight triples coming out of the gate. Let's see if they can make it 4 straight in this possession. Apat ba?
But then Manuel Pangan is there on the rebound.
Dinaan sa sipag at saka taas ng talo nito ni Pangan. What a start for the second half dito by Level Up Lubao, and they're now up by 9, Pen.
2-9 run para dito sa Level Up Lubao. So take a look, that shot coming from CJ Delfino. Hindi na yun nag-hesitate pa si CJ Delfino. And look at that miss coming from Franz de la Cruz. Pero nandun si Manuel Pangan. That's why they're up now by 9. 43-34, 7 minutes and 51 seconds remaining in our third quarter.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament, hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
PJ Parunga with 19 points and 5 rebounds against their game kahapon against Florida Blanca. This has been, ano yung sila sabi ko sa'yo, sobrang consistent ni PJ Parunga.
Yes. Pero yun nga lang, nagkulang yung other players. Nagkulang yung mga teammates nila. It can't just be PJ Parungaw lang.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, para sa update niya dito sa Minalin All-Stars. Daphne, take it away.
Even though the Brenzy Giao Convention Center is jam-packed for today, PJ Parungao said that he doesn't feel pressured but a lot more motivated in getting a comeback win. He also added that in order to win this game, Coach Bernie always reminded them to focus and commit in defending because offense will immediately follow. It is now just up to them to deliver. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much. No pressure for PJ Parungao. And I remember one of the well-known coach for the LPU Pirates, Coach Gilbert Malabanan, said to me that the pressure is something you put to yourself when you don't know what you are doing. So clearly, PJ Parungao knows what he is doing for Minalin All-Stars.
Well, that is true. Pero pressure makes diamonds nga naman, di ba? Pero one thing para dito sa Minalin All-Stars, they love being underdogs. Yun talaga yung gusto nilang mangyari. Pero, naandyan yung Mark Manalang with another 3-point make. It's raining threes now para dito sa Level Up Lubao. And they get a block pa dito. Delfino, up fake.
Nice fake coming
Grabe.
from the Mighty Mouse, sabi nga ni Coach Bernard Valencia.
And look at that. Don't look now. It's now a 16-point lead for Level Up Lubao, the biggest lead of this ball game. As Parungao draws a foul.
50-34, we enter this ball game. I mean, our second half with the 2-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Take a look, that beautiful up fake coming from CJ Delfino.
And look at that defense galing dito sa Lubao. But that time, foul naman ang Ipito.
Foul against Franz de la Cruz.
PJ, up fake, step through. No good. Para dito kay Parungao. And ball will go back dito sa panig ng Level Up Lubao.
16-point lead for Level Up Lubao, the biggest lead of the ball game.
But what a start to the second half for Level Up Lubao. Ginawa nila yung ginagawa ng Minalin All-Stars sa mga kalaban. Third quarter storm. Delfino again. Pansita, another offensive rebound for John.
John Zita with the basketball. Back to CJ Delfino. He's going for a three. He's defended by Jeheron Bonifacio. Mark Manalang.
Good kick out. Kanila pa rin.
Pero nakuha dito ni Manalang ang bola.
Heat check.
The Thompson of Level Up Lubao fired his second triple of the ball game. Third rather.
Tatlo all in this quarter, Pen. Grabe. Mark Manalang catching fire once again.
What a third period for Level Up Lubao. 19-point lead now. PJ Parungao.
Tried to draw the foul, no whistle. Pero kanya pa rin, ayaw pa rin talaga for Parungao. Take a look at this. Delfino says, calm down. Manalang tried to fire from way downtown once again. And so Delfino flies, hangs. No good. A traveling violation whistle dito kay Eman Pangan, and he knew it. He was running back down on defense agad pagpito ng referee.
19-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game.
Look at
5
the
minutes.
defense.
Heron Bonifacio, nice kick to PJ Parunga, but that was too strong. Rebound by Zita.
Ilang rebound na yun ni Zita dito sa ating laro. Look at Garcia just face guard Delfino, but look at that move. Familiar move galing kay Franz de la Cruz. He did that twice stunting yesterday, and he's still doing it ngayon sa mga taga-Minalin.
Now a 21-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Nice kick coming from Garcia.
Finally a basket for Jason Ibay.
Surprisingly, he rested the second quarter of this ball game.
Oo. Ito nakakaalagwa na itong mga taga-Lubao.
19-point lead once again.
Good move.
Pero it goes off to the right. Look at that sportsmanship coming from Jason Ibay.
Bola ng Lubao dito.
4.7 thousand viewers in our Facebook page. Isa sa mga viewers na yun, of course, is the beloved mayor of Lubao, Pampanga, Mayor S.V. Pineda. Actually, ngayon lang siya naging absent dito sa Inside the Brand gawin.
Oo, ngayon tsaka kahapon, di ba? And actually, one of them is also the pride of Lubao, Pampanga himself, Mr. Big Moment, the original one. Justin Bautista watching daw with John Lester Ochoa. Nanonood daw ngayon.
Of course, they were the defending champions together with CJ Delfino on our Born 2001 inaugural season.
I mean, ang daming nakatutok ngayon dahil nga playoffs na tayo, Final Four na. They want to see their team do well, di ba? As in, miss from the outside for Bonifacio.
Mark Manalang.
Delfino. Nabitin. Even CJ was surprised.
CJ. Parungaw for 3. Off to the right. O dito ni Manuel Pangan. There's a foul against PJ Parungaw.
Look at the frustration ng Parungaw.
4.8 viewers in our Facebook page.
Paangat ng paangat.
Maya-maya ulit niyo.
Oo. So Pamulagan comes back in. Uupo muna ito si Bonifacio. Sino ba? Si Manabat and Bonifacio. Or no, it's just Manabat. He check. Grabe. Pangan just coming out of nowhere just to get that ball.
Kenneth Pamulagan. Nakaapak na. 55-36. 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in our third period.
In a blink of an eye, ganyan na agad kalamangan ito Level Up Lubao.
The span of 7 minutes.
Oo. Good pass.
Grabe yung ham time ni Paulo Garcia doon. Jay Parungao wasn't able to knock the triple coming on the right wing, pero doon niya yung kinuha sa right corner.
It's Parungaw's game. He loves to shoot just like this man.
That is too short now for him. Paulo Garcia.
Here comes Minalin. Down to 14 na lang. A 5-0 mini run para sa kanila.
It alarms coach Allen De La Peña after that shot coming from PJ Parungao from the right corner. Look at that pass coming to Paulo Garcia. And after that, Coach Allen De La Peña calls the timeout. That's why 55-41.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
Kenji Gonzalez, Franz De La Cruz on your screen with Coach Alan James De La Peña and Manuel Pangan, of course, the pride of Lubao, Pampanga, and not only the pride of Pampanga Delta. CJ Delfino on your screens Alan Danan together with Mark Manalang, the Thompson. Mark Manalang, 19 points, 5 steal, and 1 assist kahapon versus Apalit. I love it.
Kung paano yung simula niya ngayong third quarter, ganun yung simula niya yesterday against Apalit. I love it. He was really the reason why nakaalagwa sila agad in the first 3 quarters.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Milka Jazz, para sa kanyang update dito sa Level Up Lubao. Milka, take it away.
Thank you, Pen and Enzo. Team Hustle, that's how Mark Manalang described his team after they got the win against Apalit Pampanga. This guy is not feeling well, but his heart and mind are prepared for today's game. As a team, they have a 1 goal at yun yung makuha nila ang championship. Kaya sabi ni Mark, this game is too important kasi pag nakuha namin to, may possibility kami makapasok sa finals. Kaya hustle at tiwala ang ibibigay namin ngayon. That's how Mark Manalang set the standards high for his team. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ, on that report.
Tama yung report na yun ni Milka, pero nagulat ako Not feeling well pa to si Mark Manalang, pero ganyan sumut.
Talaga ba?
Oh, di sabi.
Back to back to back triple
game?
coming from Mark Manalang.
Flu game pala to ni Mark Manalang.
Parang kanina si Ice, di naman daw, pangit pa daw yung laro niya.
Ewan ko ba dito sa mga batang to?
But it's a good thing, they're setting standard on what they have been doing. But of course, they have to give credit to their self because they're doing really good.
Oo. Ito Delfino, good kick out. Look at that attack by Franz. It sets up his Kenji Gonzalez, sayang.
Still no field goal for Kenji Gonzalez.
Ibay, bitin lang in mid-air yung tira niya.
CJ Delfino, 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining in our third period. CJ against Paolo Garcia.
Look at that. The dance moves by Delfino. Step back, triple.
Rebound by Bonifacio. Back to PJ Parungao. Balik ang bola kay Pamulagan. Pamulagan against Delfino. Nice rejection and defense coming from the Tasmanian Devil.
Paano niya nahuli yun?
Inabangan niya talaga itong si
Oh.
Kenneth Pamulagan underneath.
Look at that. Pamulagan did the right thing, put his shoulders at chest ni Delfino, but CJ still able to block that shot. Grabe. A knockout play right there for Minalin.
CJ sits for a while. Balik itong si Mark Manalang.
12 na lang kung kalamangan ng Level Up Lubao. 7-0 run para dito sa Minalin All-Stars.
Nice D. Coming from Pamulagan and Layub.
Ito, papasok ulit si MJ De Leon. Uupo muna si Franz de la Cruz for the final 24.9 seconds of the third period. Mark, crossover, pull-up jumper. No good, but look at that, Sinke. Then he turns it over.
Dito. Heron Bonifacio.
A traveling violation whistle dito sa Minalin All-Stars. Not happy yung mga coaches dito na Minalin All-Stars.
5,000 viewer na ulit tayo dito sa ating Facebook page. Happy watching, happy Sunday to every Kabalen watching on our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. Mark Manalang.
One-legged shot. Uy, muntik pa yun ha.
But he knew kasi that there was no time left for them to able to do a basket count. Level up, look at that pass coming from Mark Manalang to Franz de la Cruz. Mark Manalang now with 10 points and 3 rebounds and 2 assists. And that triple all the way from downtown like Thompson. And once again, triple coming from the left corner of the basketball court. Look at that, Mark Manalang. No hesitation on every triple na binibitawan niya dito. That's why you're now up by 12 points, 55-43 as we enter our fourth and final quarter of the ballgame.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Entering our fourth and final quarter with a 12-point lead for Level Up Lubao as SLA goes to Visayas for SLA born 2004 and born 2007 this April 2024. For interested teams, please contact our Deputy Commissioner for Sinag Liga Asia Visayas, Mr. Paul Hoven at 0917-855-5565.
Again, not a good start for Kenneth Pamulagan talaga this ball game. Really struggling with his jump shot. Hirap na hirap siya makashoot ng tres dito. As Delfino to the basket. Welcome to my TikTok, sabi ni Delfino.
That line is very much familiar. Paulo Garcia. Back to Parungao. Going to go for a three. No, he passes it to Ibay. Strong pass from Ibay. Parungao was there. Look at that floater. Off to the right. Rebound by De Leon.
Ito na naman siya. CJ to the basket. Malakas nga lang.
He misses that one. Balik ang bola. The MJ De Leon for three.
Tabingi.
Ibay back to Garcia. Look at that move coming from Paulo Garcia.
Talagang kita niya na sinusukat siya doon ni Kenji Gonzalez to block him. So he just went straight up at Kenji. Sabi niya, try to block this. And then he got fouled and he's going to the free throw line for two. And they need these free throws dahil patay ang oras. And they could get easy shots. There you go.
4.1K viewers. 4.2 now. Alan Danan checks in for Level Up Lubao.
Look at the pressure defense being applied here by Paulo Garcia on CJ Delfino.
We're almost done. 8 minutes and 41 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Paulo Garcia going for a three. Back to Ibay. Look at that pass coming from Ibay to Pamulagan.
Pahirapan, and look at that. Danan just being a factor down low. Taas kamay lang, nahihirapan yung mga taga-Minalin just to get a shot underneath.
Still a 12-point lead for Level Up Lubao. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, para sa kanyang update dito on Minalin All-Stars. Daphne, go ahead.
Coach Bernard Valencia of Minalin All-Stars said that the boys should bring out their A game just like how they did in the first quarter in order to lessen the lead of Lubao. Will the Stars align for Minalin All-Stars in the remainder of the fourth quarter? Let's find out. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much on that update, Daphne.
Well, yun yung tamang mentality. Try nyo gawin yung ginawa nyo ng first quarter. But, nag-adjust kasi itong Lubao eh. Hirap na makakuha ng 3-point shots, ng cuts to the basket. Itong Minalin All-Stars. Maybe try to revert back to those basket cuts kasi yung 3-point shots nila minsan open look na hindi lang pumapasok. But that time, Pangan gets called for a traveling violation.
7 minutes and 59 seconds. Sideline inbound for Heron Bonifacio. Ibay. Back to Bonifacio for three. That's too strong. Balik kay Delfino ang bola. Delfino ang bola, running against four. Passes it to MJ De Leon. De Leon misses. Miss possession for Lubao. Back to Paulo Garcia. Nice pass.
Good
Jumper
swing.
for Bonifacio.
Again, yun yung ginagawa nila ng first quarter. Good ball movement. Pero, Os Delfino, siniksik sa dalawa. Ayaw pa rin for Delps. Sorry. Yun kasi tawag namin sa kanya. My bad, my bad. That's what we call him kasi. Yung friend, magkakaibigan kasi. Di ba? We're friends. Yan yung mga tawagan namin eh. Nasanay lang. CJ, sorry. Charles Jacob. Ayaw lang niya dati kasi sabi niya, nag-chat. Alam mo ba, did you know, man? There was one time na nag-chat sa akin si CJ, sabi niya, Kuis, bakit Charles Joseph ang nakalagay dun sa pangalan ko? Ha? Bakit Charles Joseph? Charles Jacob kasi pangalan niya. Nakalagay doon Charles Joseph. Pangalan niya ako, pinagtitripan ko siya. Sabi ko, hindi. Ba't kita pagtitripan? Sa live kita pagtitripan.
Pag napanood niya to.
Hindi, ano yan. We're good friends. Napakabait din ni CJ talaga. You know, again, one of those type of players na sinasabi ng tao. Pag hindi mo kilala yung tao, napapanood mo na sa social media, nakikita mo yung mga actions, sabihin, mayabang yan. Pero pag nakausap mo, nakasama mo, mabait talaga yun si Delfino. And maybe that's one of the reasons why sinasabi niya ayaw niya yung Tasmanian Devil na nickname, di ba? Kasi mabait naman talaga siya eh. He's not a bad person. He's a really good person.
Kapampangan basketball players are one of the very humble players we have in the Philippine basketball.
Yes. I mean, sabi natin, Jason Castro, Balti is one of them, Encho Serrano is one of them. Diba? I mean, kausap mo, kung courtside ka, tatay ni Japet Aguilar, Coach Peter Aguilar, diba?
Kahit nga kapong
Bait-bait
kakwentuhan
nun
ko yung dalawa, sabi ko, kamusta yung mga champions?
Makukulit lang.
Nagyayabangan pa nga, sabi niya, baka dalawang pre-season champion na nga kami.
Makukulit lang sila. Hindi sila mayabang, makukulit lang.
But that was their way para i-celebrate yung mga pinaghirapan nila.
Yes. Eh, kahit din naman siguro sino, pag mamayabang yung pinaghirapan, nagbunga yung pinaghirapan mo eh. Hindi yabang yun eh. It's, you know, reaping the fruits of your labor. Di ba? And kagaya mo, if the fruits of your labor from yung tinrabaho mo sa courtside, you're now here in the panel. You're going to start your Sinag Liga Asia career panel on Sunday.
And of course, wala akong ibang papasalamatan dyan. Of course, ikaw, because mentoring me coming from the courtside.
Before ako,
But the big trust coming
the
from
man
the head
behind.
of the director.
Yes.
Laging nasa OB van.
Yes. And,
Direct Nomar Santiago.
yeah, and talagang napakagaling yan tumingin ng talent. I mean, one of the best directors in the country right now. Eh, hindi natin talaga titigilan pasalamatan si Direk Nomar Santiago. Napakabait niya, napakagaling. Mahusay pa yan mag-basketball, Pen, di ba? Magaling yan mag-basketball.
Career high for Direct Nomar is 5 points.
Binanggit mo pa.
In the span only of 1 minute.
Ba't mo ko binanggit? Ayaw nga niya pa banggitin eh. Pinapamura ko na nga siya, nagagalit pa. Sige, ano na lang, kay ano din, kay Kuya Totoy Obrero, ang ating idol dyan sa ano. Galing na TD yan si Kuya Totoy. Love ko yan si Kuya
Saan ba yung
Totoy.
slow-mo din natin?
M.
Slow-mo din natin na si Emerson, kaya nakikita natin yung mga magagandang play dito eh. Look at that, PJ Parungao. One-hand shot.
Si Ben nagsabi nun, bakit ako?
One-hand shot coming from PJ Parungao. Now the lead is now cut down to 10.
Na lang. And without Delfino on the floor, di ba? Doon kinapitalize ng Minalin All-Stars.
Pero mukhang babalik na, tumatayo na dito sa bench nila eh.
Good pass. Good pass by MJ. And John Zita with the basket. Again, John Zita na naman. Yesterday, he was the savior, the block and the steal. Ngayon, pinapalaki pa niya ulit yung lamang nila.
The lead is now back to 12. Back to Parungao. But there was a scramble and submit. Yan, so Delfino checks in. Oh no. He's just instructing his teammates. There was a substitution.
Nagko-coach lang din pala.
Paulo Garcia will check in for Minalin. 5.1 viewers in our Facebook page. That John Zita!
Sabi ni John Zita, siya na naman daw, di ba? Fourth quarter savior na naman siya.
And that jumper coming from that left part of the back of the court, doon niya blinak kahapon si Kent Montalvo, which gave them the winning momentum.
And the steal pa on Montalvo, di ba? Speaking of steal, muntik na yun for... That's backcourt. That's backcourt. That's the right thing to do if you're Paulo Garcia. Pressure the ball. Kayo yung naghahabol. With 4 minutes and 6 seconds. 14-point lead para dito sa Level Up Lubao. Kailangan nyo talaga ng ganyang intensity. But he's hobbling a little bit back to the bench. Medyo may paika-ika siya ng konti. He might have gotten hurt in that play.
Nixon Manabat on the sideline inbound. To Adrian Layo, back to PJ Parungao. He's going to go for one floater. No, he passes it. Nixon Manabat. Pasat niya dito kay Delfino ang bola. CJ Delfino. against Adrian Layog.
And you can listen to the crowd dito ng Lubao. Nararamdaman na nila yung panalo. But then again, Minalin can catch fire immediately, di ba? Don't count Minalin out. They love to become underdogs, di ba? But for Lubao kasi, as what said earlier sa report ni MJ, di ba, ni Milka Jazz, a win here could push them. Maganda na pwesto nila. They have a huge chance to get to the finals if they win today. Kaya yun yung pinaglalaban dito ng Lubao. That's why the fans are excited. The players are emotional, di ba? Kasi nga, if they win, mataas ang chance nila mag-finals.
As we go, pag bumalik tayo dito next week, we're 1 day away from the championship day.
Yes, and Florida Blanca na lang ang hindi pa nila nakakalaban, di ba? So,
And
not an easy
Minalin
win.
All-Star will face a Palit.
I love it, di ba? Yun yung interesting thing. And doon natin makikita sino ba next week papasok sa finals. But with level up Lubao dito, if they can literally just run away with this ball game, not keep this lead and not melt down anymore. Kasi they've had continuous meltdowns in the previous games. If they don't have a meltdown dito and they win the ball game again, maganda na talaga chance nila na makapasok sa finals.
De La Cruz for 3. Off to the right. Rebound by Ibay. Back to PJ Parungao. Parungao for 3.
Ayaw. Yun yung nawala dito for Minalin All-Stars. PJ Parungao's numbers, di ba? You've only hit 1 3-point make dito. Nawala yung kahapon nakita natin kay PJ Parungao na almost every possession he was aggressive, he was shot hungry. Today, I saw a little bit of a passive PJ Parungao.
Kanina nga I mentioned to you, 3 consecutive ball games na sobrang consistent ng numbers ni PJ Parungao. But now, just knocks 1 triple.
Well,
1 from this nung first
Oo,
half and then
tig-isa.
1 nitong second half.
We'll give credit to the defense ng Lubao. They know that PJ Parungao can catch fire. Nag-focus sila doon. But yun nga eh, PJ Parungao and also Kenneth Pamulaga, not their usual numbers, in Jason Ibay. Nawala yung tatlo. The traveling violation there. Yun yung sabi ko, di ba? You take away those 3, hirap na to Minalin All-Stars. Nawala yung numbers ni Ibay, nawala yung numbers ni Pamulaga, nawala numbers nito ni PJ Parungao. So that's why nahirapan ng Minalin All-Stars. But hats off pa rin tayo sa Minalin kasi they fought well. Paulo Garcia, Kobe Guevara, di ba? Adrian Layug, NJ Sagmit, Nixon Manabat. The others really tried to step up. Pero not enough eh. Kasi yung stars mo, in the playoffs, the stars really have to shine the brightest. And the brightest star ngayon na nagpakita is the Tasmanian Devil himself, CJ Delfino.
Bounce pass by Nixon Manabat. There was a foul. 61-47 with 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining. Coach Alan De La Peña calls a timeout in here with 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining. 61-47.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
Mark Manalang, Franz De La Cruz on your screen. The 19-year-old who always steps up for level up Lubao beside CJ Delfino.
Well, the Stars need his supporting cast. Batman needs his Robin, di ba? Iron Man had the Avengers. And level up Lubao, they had their squad ngayong araw.
What did you know? We're just 1 minute and 20 seconds away.
Speaking of, di ba? Hey, Goku had Gohan. Di ba? Grabe, what a victory para dito sa level up Lubao. Foul on the ground.
They are now in the safe spot sa ating semifinals going to our championship game. Because they were the only team with no loss para dito sa ating semifinals. And they will face
May isa pa, Florida Blanca. One last game, di ba?
Blanca. That will be a good ball game.
Pero regardless if they win or lose, they're in a good position. Kasi nga, the magic number in a single round robin between 4 teams, the magic number is always 2. Kasi tatlo lang laro mo eh. The magic number is 2. And with yung victory kanina na kapalit, I love it, over Florida Blanca, diba? Itong level up
With a
Lubao.
big point advantage.
With a big point
Because
advantage.
kahagabi, natalo lang ng level up Lubao ang kapalit with just 2 points.
Yes. And also, dito, malaki din yung advantage ng level up Lubao in terms of the margin of victory. So, di ba? They're in a good position. Now, again, we're not confirming na nasa finals na ang level up Lubao. There might be a chance na magbago yan. Maiba pa yung nasa finals. But sinasabi lang namin ni Penelope is mataas ang tsansa. Di ba? There's a high chance that they are going to the finals with this victory. 2-0 dito sa semifinals. What a run galing dito sa level up Lubao.
Mayor Esme Pineda is very much happy watching an hour live dahil panalo na naman itong kanyang team, level up Lubao at the semifinals. As Franz de la Cruz may pahabol pang 3 points. 66 to 47
Grabe.
is the final score, a 19-point lead for level up Lubao.
Dominant na dominant atong level up Lubao dito. What a victory for them. An all-around team effort. They really pounced on Minalin All-Stars after the quarter. Ibang klase yung pinakita ngayon ng level up Lubao.
But now let's turn it over. 6
Bago
to
yan.
6. Bago yan.
Oo.
Tingnan natin dito, Coach,
James De La Peña together with assistant coach Jericho of Minalin.
of
You know,
course, one of the pride din, the Kapampangan when it comes to
Oo.
basketball. Now he's coaching for Minalin All-Stars.
grabe, what a victory for level up Lubao. They really made a statement dito. A 19-point victory. 66 to 47, showing dominance dito sa ating semifinals round air. And they are in a good position to make it into the finals dito. What a victory for this team. And proud na proud. Tuwan-tuwa siguro si Mayor Esme Pineda ngayong araw.
And what a ball game we have for our second day of our semifinals. First, Apalit dominantly won against Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca. And now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa ating best player of the game. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. At kasama ko nga ngayon ang best player of the game ng Lubao, Pampanga na si CJ Delfino or the Tasmanian Devil ng Lubao, Pampanga with 21 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 assists. First of all, congratulations CJ and sa team mo. Now, kahapon natalo nyo yung Palit Pampanga at ngayon natalo nyo naman ang Minalin All-Stars. Ang laki ng chance nyo makapasok for the finals. Ano ba yung, or paano mo ba minomotivate yung mga players mo or yung mga teammates mo?
Una, yung first half pa lang, malas na kami sa depensa. Natambakan kami ng 10 points. Kinausap ko sila, dumepensa kayo, huwag nyo silang panoorin na abulin natin lamang, kailangan natin manalo dito para sa susunod game, makakuha pa natin yung laro. Yun lang.
Ang laki ng contribution mo sa team para makapasok sa finals, no? Ano pa ba yung dapat namin abangan sa iyo?
Aabangan nyo po kami sa next game namin bukas. Papakita namin namin 100% pa namin na laro.
No, meron ko pang gustong pasalamatan or batiin?
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Mayor Esme Pineda. Walang sawang sumusuporta sa amin. Kay Vice Mayor Jay Montemayor. Sa mga coaches namin nanonood. Sa mga coaches namin tsaka sa mga taga-Lubao na nanonood sa amin. Yun lang. Tsaka binabati ko rin yung anak ko tsaka yung asawa ko.
So once again, that's CJ Delfino of Lubao, Pampanga. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ, and thank you so much to the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino, who 2-0 na ang level up Lubao after this victory dito sa ating semifinals round. There's one more day remaining, mga kabalen, dito sa semifinals round. Kaya tutok lang po sa aming Facebook page at Pampanga PIO for the updated schedule. Kailan po yung laro, but that ends this Sunday doubleheader dito for Penelope Wilhelmina, MJ Raimundo, Daphne Lozano. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy Ray De Leon, Direk Ramonito Boxingero Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Benziqueo Convention Center. This has been your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. Kita-kits soon, mga kabalen. Peace!